Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Water Creations Elise Collection Bathroom Vanity Legs. Here are everything inside the box. First, place the vanity upside down on a soft surface to prevent any scratching or damage. There is a sticker in each corner with a letter indicating the corresponding legs. There should be 2 A's, 1 B, and 1 C. Match the corresponding leg and install it with the screws provided. Tighten the screws with the Allen key provided. Repeat the steps for the other legs. There is a leveler at the end of each leg. Flip the vanity over and place it upright. If your vanity is not stable, simply adjust the leveler until level. Vanity leg installation is now complete. Water creation. Crafted for you.